Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Today we are presenting this beautifully laid out 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the desirable community of Albion Estate. This incomplete house of over 6,500 square feet consists of double garage, one ensuite bedroom, large open concept living, dining, kitchen and formal living spaces, laundry, and front and back patios all on the ground floor. The upper floor consists of a lovely primary suite, plus 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with both front and rear balconies. It is time to realize your dream of creating that finished product to your personal taste. Just imagine your own blank canvas to work with. Now let those creative juices flow. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.